Every day, suspicious links are shared through emails, messages, and social media. Some can steal passwords, banking details, and personal data. In this video, we'll build an AI Phishing Detector GUI using Python. It analyzes URLs, detects phishing indicators, calculates risk scores, maintains scan history, and generates security reports. Phishing is a cyber attack where criminals pretend to be trusted companies, websites, or people. Their goal is to steal usernames, passwords, banking details, credit card information, or OTP codes. Attackers commonly use fake websites, deceptive emails, malicious links, and social engineering to trick users. A phishing attack often starts with an urgent message. You click a link that appears trustworthy and land on a fake website. When you enter your password, OTP, or banking details, the attacker steals them. Suspicious domains, shortened links, strange symbols, and fake security warnings are common phishing tricks. Our AI Phishing Detector is a Python desktop cybersecurity application. Users enter a suspicious URL, and the app analyzes multiple phishing indicators. It calculates a risk score from 0 to 100, classifies the URL as safe, suspicious, or dangerous, displays a detailed security report, stores scan history, and exports results. This project is built using Python and CustomTkinter. Python handles the detection logic, while CustomTkinter creates the modern cybersecurity interface. The URL parse module analyzes URL components. The IP address module detects direct IP-based links, and pattern matching helps identify suspicious characteristics. No API key is required. The detection process starts when the user enters a URL. The application normalizes and parses the link, then checks its protocol, host name, length, keywords, domain structure, encoded characters, and redirection patterns. Suspicious indicators increase the risk score. Finally, the app displays the security classification and detailed analysis. The detector performs multiple security checks. It analyzes HTTPS usage, IP addresses, URL length, excessive subdomains, suspicious keywords, multiple hyphens, URL shorteners, risky domain extensions, puny code domains, encoded characters, unusual query parameters, the @ symbol, and possible redirection tricks. Each suspicious indicator adds points to the phishing risk score. Missing HTTPS, IP-based URLs, suspicious keywords, risky domains, URL shorteners, and puny code can increase the score. Scores from 0 to 20 are safe, 21 to 50 are suspicious, and scores above 50 are classified as dangerous. The application provides a modern cybersecurity dashboard with a URL scanner, security status, risk score, detected domain, and detailed analysis report. Users can scan suspicious URLs, view previous results through scan history, clear the scanner, and export security reports as text files for future reference. Now it's time to test our phishing detector. Normal URLs with few suspicious indicators should receive lower risk scores. URLs containing suspicious keywords, excessive subdomains, unusual characters, or other phishing indicators receive higher scores. The application displays the result, security recommendations, and automatically saves the scan in history. This project uses heuristic and rule-based phishing detection. It does not use a trained machine learning model, live threat intelligence, or real-time domain reputation services. A low-risk score does not guarantee that a website is safe. Real-world security systems should combine multiple detection technologies for stronger protection. We successfully built an AI Phishing Detector GUI using Python. The application analyzes suspicious URLs, detects phishing indicators, calculates risk scores, generates security reports, maintains scan history, and exports results. If you enjoyed this project, like the video and subscribe to FuzzuTech for more Python, GUI, and cybersecurity projects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this AI phishing detector project, don't forget to subscribe to FuzzuTech and turn on notifications for more Python and cybersecurity projects. Like the video, share it with your friends, and comment your thoughts below. Your support helps us create more amazing projects. Stay safe, stay smart, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.